The following video is a MILLTRONICS VM20 CNC vertical machining center. The unit is new 2010. We're going to run a brief video of demonstration today.
The machine is warmed up. I'm going to just do a couple jogs on the axis to start out. Y-axis first. Nice and smooth. Then the X-axis. With this machine you can move diagonally. And next we will do a spindle run. I'm going to start it out. It's already warmed up. Oh, I can do my Z-axis first, I'm sorry. Alright, now we're going to start the spindle out since it's warmed up at 5,000. I'll adjust it down to 2,000 and then up to its maximum of 8,000. Put the coat in. Okay, right now it's at 5,000. We're going to adjust it down. That is 3,000, 2,000. Now we'll go up the other way. That's back at your 100% at 5,000, 5,500, 6,000, 6,500, and that is all the way at 8,000. Back to 5,000. And lastly, we're going to do a couple tool changes. We'll do one more. There you have it. It's a very nice machine.
Again, the preceding video was a MILLTRONICS VM20 CNC vertical machining center.